Extreme forehead blackheads extraction before-after results. At first glance, the forehead may not look heavily congested, but under a close-up lens, a different story appears. Dozens of clogged pores, hidden blackheads, years of buildup trapped beneath the surface. Today's treatment features an extreme forehead blackheads extraction, with dramatic before and after results. Why the forehead is vulnerable. The forehead is part of the T-zone, an area known for producing higher amounts of oil. When oil combines with dead skin cells, sweat, environmental debris, pores can become blocked over time. The texture problem. Many forehead blackheads are small, but together they create rough texture, uneven appearance, visible congestion that becomes noticeable under bright lighting. Step 1. Deep cleansing preparation. The treatment begins with a complete cleansing process to remove surface oils and prepare the pores. Step 2. Steam pore activation. Warm steam softens stubborn congestion trapped inside the pores. This allows for a smoother extraction process. Step 3. Extreme blackheads extraction. Now the most satisfying part begins. One by one, blackheads start releasing from the forehead. Some pores reveal years of trapped buildup. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning transformation. As extraction continues, the forehead begins looking noticeably cleaner. The skin surface becomes smoother with each cleared pore. Step 5. Before-after comparison. The difference is now impossible to ignore. Before, visible blackheads, rough texture, congested pores. After, cleaner-looking pores, smoother skin surface, improved skin texture. Step 6. Recovery refresh. A calming skincare treatment helps reduce redness and complete the transformation. Final results. What started as a forehead filled with congestion is now a cleaner, smoother-looking skin surface. A complete deep pore cleaning transformation with visible before and after results. Final message. Sometimes the most dramatic skincare transformations happen in areas people rarely pay attention to. The forehead may be overlooked, but the results speak for themselves. If you enjoyed this extreme forehead blackheads extraction and before and after transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more blackhead removals, deep pore cleaning treatments, and satisfying skincare videos.